Boom! What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So what we're going to be doing today is a little experiment or DIY. What we're going to be doing today is trying to make our own car carpets out of, it's going to sound weird, but out of house mats or doormats. Alright, so my plan is to get some doormats and then maybe wrap it in some velvet or some suede to give it that little touch so it doesn't look just like a doormat and it looks a bit cleaner. So I'm going to head to the shops, get some items, and then I'll catch you guys when I get back here. Alright guys, we're now back from the shops and I picked up the items, so here's what I actually got. So as you can see right here, I picked up these 4 floor mats from IKEA. Pretty thin, so we'll see how things go. I might actually just end up double layering it, but I'm not too sure. So I bought 4 of these, pretty cheap, $1.29 each. I bought this adhesive spray. This was about 11 bucks. And then what I'm going to be doing is covering it with some velvet or some fake suede. So basically I just got this fake suede, you know, to give it a better look. So I chose blue and black. And also, I don't know if I'm going to go ahead with this, but I'm going to trace out this ZBG stencil and then put it on the carpet and then maybe spray paint it white so it has a ZBG writing. So yeet, and here it is. Here's my old mats. It's still looking pretty good on this side, but the driver side is a bit fucked, eh? And also, yeah, it's not, the new carpets I bought is not as big, but don't worry, we can work around that. Alright, so this is my plan, what I'm going to be doing. So basically, I'm going to be using the new mats or the door mats that I bought. I'm going to be getting the original mat and probably just tracing it and cutting it to shape or as close as possible. And then what I'm going to do after that is spray the adhesive spray on top, and then I'm going to try and wrap it in the fake suede and then it should be done. So it's a pretty simple job, it's pretty easy, so yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so we have now traced out the carpets and here's how it looks. Look at that. So you can see the black lines, driver's side. So we're just going to be cutting it out or around the black lines. And then after that we can spray on the adhesive and then we can basically stick on the fake suede and yeah, it's going to be done. A1 cutting brand. Alright guys, so we have now cut both sides. Right here we got the passenger side and right here we got the driver's side. Look at that. The driver's side looks legit, but it looks proper OEM. But yeah. Alright guys, so the time lapse is now finished and here is the final result. You ready? It turned out better than I thought besides the back, but the fronts turned out better than I expected. So here it is. So here's the driver's side. As you can see, it's got that suede, and also you can see the texture from the original doormat, but it doesn't really matter. Looks pretty sick. So there it is. And here is the passenger side. So I like the passenger side more, as you know, obviously the back is way cleaner, and because of the blue, because the black just looks normal OEM, especially in person, and like I said, you know, it's a bit dodgy at the back. So the blue looks more custom and the black looks OEM. So there it is. Let me know in the comments below which one you guys prefer, the blue or the black. But there it is, check it out. Damn. Alright guys, so I'm just going to let the mats soak in the sun for a bit. Hopefully the glue dries and it sticks. So in the meantime, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting out these ZPG stencils, and then I'm going to try and attempt to spray the mat in like the white color with the stencil. So we're going to be putting the ZPG or garage and just quickly spray it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So I fucked up real bad, yeah? You guys want to see? I fucked up. It looks like someone jizzed on it, yeah? Look. No. No.
You even oversprayed like crazy.
Shit, yeah, fuck. So, you know, I had a bit of vision in my head, but it didn't turn out. But yeah, fuck. Shit, that's fucked. Damn it. Anyways, my plan right now is probably just to make a new blue one anyways. I'll probably still use this in the meantime, but keep the blue one as a spare. And we might get people to sign it, you know, like all the boys out there. So I'll get them to sign it and then I'll put it in. But for the meantime, I gotta use this for now. And yeah, that one's good. But this one, shit. Alright guys, so there it is. Here's the driver's side. Yeah, it looks pretty sick besides the white stains. But we cut it pretty well, as you can see right there, besides here because the mat wasn't big enough. So let's see how it looks from the inside. So I am going to be using the OEM mats underneath too, just for, you know, thickness and stuff, but I'm going to put on the new mats on top. Alright, so there it is guys. This is the driver's side. Look at that, it looks pretty sick, and fitment's pretty good, you know. Look at that, it looks pretty sick. Damn. And there it is guys, the passenger side. Wow, look at that, the blue stands out so much and it matches my car as well. Wow, sick. So you know, when you drive all the VTEC fanboys, they can see all the suede and they can see your smooth ass carpet. Fuck, shit, it's so good. It's so good, bro. I don't even want to use it, bro. Oh shit, let's try it out. Oh shit, feel the suede, boys. Oh shit. Damn.
It's not even suede.
Yeah. Shit. Look. Oh, you guys want to try, bro? Take your shoes off though, yeah? Nah, Jakes.
My shit's too hard.
Shit. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I'll show you guys one last time before I end the video. After I end the video, I'm gonna go back and fix the driver's side. I'll probably make it blue. So if you want to see that, you know, just follow me on Instagram because I'll probably post it there. But anyways, let's look at it one last time before I finish this video. The driver's side, look at that. If only the spray paint turned out way better, because then it would have looked 100 times way better. As you can see the ZBG, but the garage is kind of stuffed up. But like I said, the black wasn't the best choice because it just looks OEM. So that is why after this video ends, I'm going to go back and make a blue one. But that is how this driver's side look. Pretty sick. The shape is pretty good, and look how the suede turned out. Pretty good. And here it is, my favorite part, the passenger side. It stands out so much, and it matches the car as well. Look at that, damn. And I like the suede better on the blue because you can see it more. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you like this video and if you like this blue carpet, make sure to give this video a fat like, P-H-A-T, and comment down below what you think of the blue one, yeah, not the black one, because let's forget about the black one. That turned out pretty shit. So just you know, comment down what you think of the blue one. It turned out pretty sick. It's pretty cheap, so I'm not too sure how much it costs. I'll calculate it, but all I know is the mat was like $1.39, the spray was like $10, and the material was like $25 for 1.5 meters, but I didn't really need that much, so yeah, I'll try and calculate that. But anyways, so basically you saw the process, easy, cut it to shape, wrap the material over and done, and you get this for less than, I know, OEM price $300. And the question is, can you use house mats or doormats as car carpets? And that question is yes, if you do it right, yeah? If you do it right like this blue one, you can. Obviously, it's not going to be, you know, as good, it's not going to be as thick, and it probably won't last as long, but the question is, yes, you can. It's a bit of DIYing, and it's pretty fun. So yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. Catch you guys in the next one. Laters! Yes, you can. It's a bit of DIYing and it's pretty fun.
Oh, did you actually have fun though?
Yeah, until I fucked up spray paint and went downhill.